Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing on this wonderful Saturday? My name is Michelle Bryant. I am a financial strategist, specializing in everything logistics. I do taxes, bookkeeping, consulting, one-on-one sessions. I do everything. Payroll, everything you need. I can get it done. All right, today I wanted to come to you to talk to you about budgeting, debt. I want to talk to you about things that can help you as a truck driver, as a business owner, so that you wouldn't have to be in debt. You wouldn't have to constantly run, work to pay off these bills. And then when you get close to retirement, you have nothing in it. That's what I originally want to talk about. But then I changed it up. I want to talk about this SBA PPP and loans. Okay? Because it's dear to me and I want everyone to understand what you need to get done. All right? So if you all got a SBA, which is a Small Business Administration loan, for the EIDL, which is the Economic Impact Disaster Loan, EIDL, all right, you all know that you have 30 years to pay it off. You have the minimum payment, low interest rate, 30 years to pay it off. Now, this is a good time to start thinking about business credit if you hadn't already. Or if you had destroyed your business credit, then you want to try to do something to revamp it. Okay, like we do with our credit, our own personal credit. We try to, once we destroy it, we try to build it back up. Okay, so this is a good opportunity to build that business credit. Okay, so don't wait and pay those small payments over 30 years. A lot of us in our 20s, 30s, 40s, okay, that's like a house payment. You want to pay it off as fast as you can. And then when it comes time that you need another business loan to either buy you a truck or to buy you some trailers or just to operate your business, and I'm speaking to truck drivers, but this also can apply to small business owners. When it's time for you to get that capital up to run your business, then you can apply for a small business loan. And they'll see that you have a good report with them because you already paid off that previous loan with no issues. Okay, same with the PPP. Okay, long you have the PPP, which is a Paycheck Protection Plan loan with program with your bank. Okay, and if you're making those payments, if they are not forgiven and you have to make the loan payments, then make the payment. Try to pay a little bit more on the principal. Okay, so that your bank would see that, hey, you making these payments. You're paying back this loan. Your company is in a good position now. And if you want to apply for a business loan through your financial institution, then they shouldn't have any problems approving you because, it's so hard trying to find funding. It's very hard trying to find funding, So you want to make sure that you do what you need to do to get those payments in, to pay a little bit more, to pay it off even early so you can prove to your bank, financial institution, SBA that, hey, you are good for it. And when you need another loan, then you shouldn't have any issues obtaining that other loan since you already have built that credit from the SBA and the PPP. That's if your PPP turns into a loan. All right, now let's get to it. All right, now with this SBA and PPP loan, okay? And then I also said other loans because you have other companies that are offering other loans because the PPP ran out or people are not getting approved for certain loans or whatever. So you have a lot of other smaller online companies that cater to businesses that are offering loans. One of them being Cabbage, that are offering other loans that you can obtain. Now, you want to make sure that you have your proper bookkeeping done. You want to make sure that you follow the records retention. You want to make sure that you have everything in the system, every expense for that business. Okay, you want to make sure you save all of your receipts. You want to make sure you file your taxes. Okay, you want to make sure your payroll is being done properly. Okay, take some of that money and invest in some good working people that will do all that for you, including myself. And don't forget to click and subscribe. I forgot to say that. I got to keep remember to say that. Click and subscribe. Click and subscribe. I watch so many YouTube videos, and first thing they say is click and subscribe. And my tail just keep forgetting. I just want to jump right into it and say, don't click and subscribe. Click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. And I'm going to be bringing something nice to you. I'm going to be bringing my 2 girls with me. They're going to come on with me, and we're going to go over everything trucking. One is a VP, the other been the trucking business for just as long as I have, dispatching, doing everything. And we're going to be, it's the 3 women, we're going to come online and we're going to give it to y'all. It's going to be good, and it's going to be coming soon to you. So keep watching. But anyway, you know, the government or anybody who gives you money have the right to audit your files. Okay? They have the right to audit your records at any given time. So if your business had not been renewed as far as the annual filing, and you're in non-compliance, you need to get it in compliance. Okay? If you are sole proprietor and have not registered your business with the state, you need to do that. If you don't have an EIN number, you need to do that. Okay? If you have all these whatever going on, trucks or people or whatever you do, wherever your business is, okay? Whatever your business is, if you have a small business, if you are a business owner, you have to invest in bookkeeping. You know, you have to pay the money to get your books done. That's just a known fact. You know, and it's hard to do it when somebody asks you, okay, send me your profit and loss statement. And you don't have anything because you didn't do your bookkeeping. So what are you supposed to do? Like for me, I have my beautiful office. I have to put some decorations up and all that, you know, make it look pretty. And that's the pretty, you know. But in order for me to get in here, one of the questions was, what's your website address, your profit and loss statement, business checking account statements, whatever pertains to my business. And you know what? I had that thing sent off in 5 minutes. I downloaded and put in that email that boom, there it went. Because I was ready. See, I practice what I preach. I was ready. Now, are you gonna be ready? You know, I know how to build business credit. See, I'm gonna do a lot of different things, but see, I ain't got time to be coming on here all the time saying this, saying that, saying this, saying that. Y'all got to pay for a one-on-one session. $100 ain't nothing. Nowadays, hell, I can teach you some things, and you know why? Because I learned from my mistakes. Let me tell you, I made a lot of mistakes in it, and I'm gonna do a video about my past and where I come from because it's very interesting, okay? I made a lot of mistakes, but you know what? I learned from them. I wiped my eyes, and I kept it moving, and that was a lesson for me so that I wouldn't make that same mistake in the future, because in the future, I'll be older, and I won't have time to make mistakes, okay? A mistake can cost me dearly, okay? I'm trying to plan for my future, okay? So I'll be bringing something to you soon about that. But once I set my business up and I got my business checking account set up, I immediately applied for a business credit card because I knew I had to build business credit. Because what I'm trying to do later on in the future, which I'm building to do, it's going to cost me some money. And I don't want to get it from Joe Blow and them and have people breathing down my neck talking about this and that, won't this and that, and all that stuff, this and that. I want to do things on my own, on my terms. Ain't nobody gonna dictate what I do. Okay, so that's where I'm gonna go and get the money that I need to get to do what I need to do for myself, for my business. And then if Joe Blow or whoever want to come join or whatever, then we can do a partnership with them, you know. But I don't want somebody that I know to front me 20 grand for my business, okay? And it's not building my business credit, because I can't report Joe Blow's money to my business credit report. Look up www.nav.com. NAV, I think it's NAV business. It's like a business credit. It's like a credit karma for businesses. And it will give me my score for my business based off my EIN number. So I'm building my business credit. Now, back to these SBA, PPP, and all these loans. You need to email me, go to my website, contact me, go to my Facebook page, Instagram. You need to do whatever you need to do to contact me. Okay, so I can get you together. If you all have these corporations, these corporations running around here, you definitely need to be doing bookkeeping. You definitely need to be paying yourself with the W-2, not 1099, not anything else, unless you're paying yourself dividends. You need to be putting yourself on payroll, okay? You have to put yourself on payroll and pay payroll taxes. Cut yourself a W-2 at the end of the year. It's time to get it right, okay? Enough of that. It's time to get it together, all right? So all my description, all my contact information will be in the description box below, and I'm going to have it on the screen. It's going to be down here on the screen. But my phone number, well, I ain't going to give my phone number now. You got to go to the website. But my email address is info@bryantstaxlogistics.com. info@bryantstaxlogistics.com. Okay, my website is www.bryantstaxlogistics.com. BryantStaxLogistics.com. I'm on Facebook under Bryant's Tax. I'm on Instagram under Bryant's Tax. I have met so many wonderful people on Facebook and Instagram that have come to me. They say that I inspired them. I have helped them. We have formed bonds and everything else. You know, I'm good to my people. I'm good to everyone. You know, I'm trustworthy. I'm honest. I'm reliable. I may have 100 things going on, but you know what? I'm going to be there for you. So hit me up, okay? And also, I started a work from home call center. Work from home call center was started during COVID-19, when a lot of people I know that was losing their jobs. There were some people that were sick, couldn't go out. So somebody brought it to me. I researched it and started implementing it. And now I'm working for myself as well as a call center agent. So you can contact me at the same information below, contact information below if you're interested in it, okay? But let's get it together. Now, the next video I'm gonna bring to you, we're gonna talk about budgeting and finance and debt and all that when it comes to trucking and small businesses. And then we're gonna talk about a whole bunch of stuff. And I'm also gonna throw in there my beginnings. All right. My beginnings. I don't like this camera. This camera got me looking all fool. I like this camera, my phone camera. I don't like this camera, this webcam. But anyway, it has to do. All right, y'all. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day. All right. Bye-bye.